Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M6, and today I'll show you how to do a factory reset to remove screen lock or Google account or anything that will prevent you from basically accessing the home screen. So as you can see, there is already a lock screen, and to begin this process, I'll actually start with the phone and we'll shut it off. So tap on power off, and it can just lay on the side for now. You also want to have a cable that you use normally for charging and plug it into the computer to have that ready. So I have one right here, as you can see. And once that's ready, you can go to the website here. As you can see, I'm on HardReset, and basically what you want to do is search for MEIZU M6. So I can just show that as a completely, let's say, new one. So HardReset.Info, as you can see. And from here, tap on search bar and type in whoops, it's not with A, it's with E. There we go. And from here, choose the MEIZU M6. As you can see, the first hard reset method is right here, and you get this little guide here. So right here, on the second step, you'll find this link. Download and unpack and install the MEIZU Unlock tool. So let's do that. So as you can see, we are redirected to the download. You can just click on here and it starts downloading. Now don't worry, there is no kind of like password for it, no weird scam, it's just a tool. So wait for it to actually download, and as you can see, I already have it right here. But as a example, I'm gonna download this one anyway. So it's this one. Okay, and unpack. As you can see, it's right here. So I will open it, double click to install. Okay, go through the normal installation process. Okay, as you can see, it says finished, so now I'm just gonna open it. So it's right here. And from the menu, you want to choose M6, which is the device that we're using right now. Okay. And from here, grab the cable and your phone that is shut off and plug it in. You don't want to press any buttons, just simply plug it in. As you can see, the tool starts reading it automatically. And it's done. So you can see here the screen. Press any key to continue. So press any key, and now we can close this. It's not needed anymore, and you can unplug the phone and turn it on. So let's do that. Okay. Now be patient, this might take a while. And as you can see now, the process is finished, so you can set up your device as you like. I'm gonna go through the process fairly quickly, just to show you. And as you can see, the setup is complete. There's no more screen lock, no any kind of account. As you can see, you can unlock it. So yeah. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.